Hi there, this is Christy, and today we're going to talk about should you create digital planners and what are people doing and what are people selling in Etsy. And of course, you can sell this from your blog or you can sell it from a Shopify store. But if we go into Etsy and we search for digital planner by shop name and we choose search, you can see there are 23 shops found for digital planner. And if we click on this one, this is a lovely shop, really pretty. And it's fairly new as digital planners are becoming more and more popular. It's 2019 established, 220 sales. And you can see what people are liking by what they have in their cart. Of course, this doesn't mean that they're going to check out, but it shows the potential interest. Digital sticky notes, digital vintage corners, digital planner stickers, digital Christmas stickers will probably get a lot more popular as we get closer to Christmas. So let's take a look, because the only way you know what to create is to see what people are buying from similar stores. So you go and you check it out, just like I'm doing right now. And it gives you great ideas as to what is selling. For example, the leopard covers are selling. I made a digital planner. It has a leopard cover on it. And I made a sale from it at like 2 days later. So that's really popular. Look at this, 6 people, 11 people. So you can see the interest is really high with digital planners, and it's only growing. This niche is really growing. Look at this, 10 people, 6 people, 12 people, 4 people. Crazy, right? All right, let's keep looking. Digital planner 247. She's got digital planners. This is a lovely shop too. Has a different look to it. People are liking this one. 12 people have it in their cart. So by looking and comparing these shops, you can see what people are liking as far as their style and in their taste. It's looking like people love pastels. I know I do. Digital planner stickers, super cute. Super cute. Digital notebook. This is an adorable shop. You might want to go check it out. If you're looking to buy some digital notebooks, really cute items here. Okay, so you may be thinking, well, how do I create a digital notebook? Well, I have a friend named Michelle. Michelle has made over $60,000 beginning with 2 printable life guides in her Etsy shop. And Michelle teaches a course. I'm an affiliate for her course, which means I will get an affiliate commission if you buy through my link. But you know, if you're going to do digital planning, I would learn through Michelle. I highly recommend her. Her courses and templates are amazing. It's how I was able to make my first digital planner. Let's go to Michelle's shop so you can see what it looks like. This is her shop right here. As you can see, she's made 3,422 sales. She was actually able to retire her husband, and they have a little boy named Noah. She's about to have another child, and she was able to retire her husband from her Etsy shop and her course sales about how to make printables. So she is super duper successful, and you want to buy a course from someone who is doing it successfully. Okay, so check it out. Click the link below, and it will take you to my email list, and then it will redirect you to Michelle's products and other similar Canva templates that you'll want to check out that will really give you a big jump ahead in making your first digital planner or printables. She teaches both. Okay, that's Christy, and I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye now.